Hey, what's up guys? This is Tech Mayor. In this video, I'll be showing you the easiest way to download songs, to download videos, to download files straight to your phone, and the easiest way to access them. The iOS 13 has been out for a while now, and a lot of people still don't know you can easily download songs and videos and files straight to your iPhone. So I'll be showing you the easiest way to do this. Not that there are no other ways, there are other ways you can do it, but I think this is a lot more easier. Now, to do this, you need two things. You need the VLC app, you need the Xender app. The VLC is now better. It has a new refined user interface, which is very nice, and it's easy to navigate. But basically, it's because you can have your music and you can have your music and your videos in the same app. The reason why I mentioned Xender is when you want to share your files, like your songs and your videos, it will be easier for you to share via Xender. Alright, let's get to it. To do this, you go to your settings, you go to your Safari, scroll down a little bit, not too far. You see downloads. From downloads, you see iCloud, you see my phone. When you get into my phone, you get an option if to use Xender or if to use VLC. Whichever one you find more easier. For me, I like to use my default settings as VLC. I only use Xender when I want to send the file to someone. Now, when I want to send the file to someone, what I do is I go inside my files, the file app. You find that on your home screen. When you click in the file app, you get the iCloud, you get my phone, then you get those red, yellow, green, blue tags. Then you go to my phone, you go to VLC, select whatever you need to copy to your Xender or you need to move to your Xender. After selecting, you move them to your Xender. Then you go back into your Xender app. Then from your Xender app, you can send the file. Downloading files is as easy as anything now on iOS 13. All you need to do is go to your Safari, you go to the website you want to get whatever you want to get from. Either you can get the ebook, you can get the PDF, you can get whatever you need to get. When you click the download button, you see a download icon. You can click on the icon to see the progress of your download. When it must have finished downloading, you go back to your VLC app, you see the file there. I'm downloading an MP3, so I'm seeing my MP3 here. I have my MP3 here. I'm really happy that Apple brought this into the iPhone because we've been waiting for it for a while. Android phones could do it, iPhone users wish they could do it, and now we could do it, and hey, it's very nice. It's very nice to see that on Apple now. I'm a music lover, yes. I love a music player that is user-friendly and I find it very easy to navigate. Now, I find the Apple Music very easy, and thanks to the 3D touch, there are easier ways to navigate your music app. With the 3D touch on iPhone 6s, 7, 10 and upward. Now, it's easy for you to play next song, to choose a song to play next, to add a song to a playlist, to delete a song. It's very easy. All you need to do is do a 3 seconds hold on the song you need more options on, and you see more options pop out. You can add the songs to play next, you can add the song to play after, you can delete the songs from there, you can add it to a playlist. It's very easy. You can also use the same feature for your Instagram, do this for your Twitter, you can do this for a lot of other apps as well. You guys should take advantage of the 3D touch. It makes it very easy for you to navigate your phone. Still on the music app, there are a few things I noticed on the iOS 13. So I noticed when you're connected to an AirPod, when you're changing the volume, either from the control center, you see the little fine Apple logo, and when you increase the volume from the phone itself, you also see the same thing. Now when you're connected to a Bluetooth, it's a different icon. When you're connected to when you're using an headphone, it's a different thing. And when you're connected to other Bluetooth, and when you're using the loudspeaker, it's a totally different thing. And I think these are the little features that makes the iPhone exciting, and I am glad Apple really did a lot on the iOS 13. I'm very sure you must have seen a lot of other features, a lot of other exciting features on the iOS 13, but then you see that everywhere, and these are the ones people don't really take note of, or people don't really mention. Alright guys, that's all I have for you for today. Do well to subscribe and hit the like button please. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.